boy Harley Fat Boy Jr. Woo! So I got a box in. It's my Saddlemen bag to travel with on top of the Viking saddle bags that I got on here. She just came in. About to unbox her and see what she's all about, man. Heard a lot of great things. I know my boy Jason sets her pendants. Uses the same bag and he likes it, so Jason knows a lot. If he likes it, I'm sure I'll like it. But another first for me. Never really owned a bag to travel with like this before, so it is a Sissy bar bag. I don't have a Sissy bar, but I'll be using some rock straps to tie the bag down and yeah, go from there. But we should be good to go. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. Let's go. Obviously, Saddlemen is a well-known brand out there in the motorcycle world. So obviously, I have a Saddlemen seat, cardboard. So this will be interesting. Ooh. Plastic bag. All right, nothing in there. Get that out of the way. Oh, it looks like it's got a cover. Oh, nice. I'm sure this bad boy is waterproof. Ooh, look at, oh wow, God. Nice. Man, this thing is massive. Wow. Ooh, I like the material on the bottom. Kind of keep it from non-slip, but I'll be slapping it on there. I'll definitely be having something on the bike, on the fender, that's going to cross over the bags, and this will be on top of it, and then that way nothing will be scratching the fender. This part of the fender has that film on it still, so that's cool, but I just don't want to scratch anything. But yeah, doesn't look too bulky at all. But man, this thing is fire. Golly. It's got all kinds of pockets. Man, I've only been out here for like 5 minutes. I'm sweating already. It's hot. It's supposed to be 100 degrees today. But it's all good. Still gonna go for a ride. Jeez. All kinds of pockets. Side action. Side pocket. Pocket within a pocket. More pockets. Holy jeepers. Oh, so crazy. So again, it's a Sissy bar bag, but I don't have a Sissy bar. But I like how the setup is for it. Man, it might be even more convenient later on down the line. Just looks like you just slide it right through here and you're good to go. And then you got rings all over this bag to tie down. And you can wear this too as a backpack. I'll see what's actually inside. Let's go ahead and unclip these. Man, we're just a few days out, man. I'm getting super excited. Another pocket. Okay. Put some shoes in there, man. That's probably what'll go in there. I don't know if my size 13s will fit in there, but alright, let's get to the meat and potatoes. Open this bad boy up. Oh. Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, these must be the straps. Oh yeah, these must be the straps to go backpack style. So that's cool. Came with those. Just another little pouch thingy dooey. This can come out. Nice. Looks like we got some instructions and more hardware. Holy crap, dude. Sweating bullets. I literally just stepped out here. Guys, I can hardly contain myself, man. I'm excited, but I don't know if I'm getting nervous. I have no idea what's going on right now, but it's about to happen, man. We're just a few days out. I don't know what this is. See what that is. Some more straps. More straps. A little clip action. So one bag, one mounting harness right and left side. 4 mounting harness straps. Okay. 2 pull down straps, 1 backrest pad, 1 backpack strap. Oh, that's what that was. The backrest pad. Yeah, sweet. Oh, shows you all kinds of different ways to tie this bad boy down. So it's got a ton of D-rings, so I'm not really worried about strapping it down. There's multiple ways I can strap it down. I just want to see how much I can fit in here. So just kind of going through all the pouches and all the straps and all the different ways you can pack this bad boy. Ooh, I might stick my tent in between here, close this up, lock that down. Yeah, I don't know what the part number is. Trying to figure out. I think it's 35150202. But I will put that in the description below. I'll put all the info for this bag in the description below. But yeah, super stoked, man. I love this how the Saddlemen emblem and stuff is all over the place. Of course, I got my stickers. How's this bag go? This is pretty nifty, man. The emblem on there. I see you, Saddlemen. Good job. This bad boy is pretty deep, man. Be interested to see what all I can fit in there, clothes-wise. Hope I can fit at least 5 or 6 days of worth of clothes in there. Don't mind my feet. So got the saddlebags. Get this. Possibly might rock another bag. Also got to get rain gear and all that good stuff. So, and then I got all this stuff, the last of it right here. The second helmet kit, Pack Talk Bold. Slap this in my new helmet, which I'm taking to Sturgis. Lid locks, which I'll do later on. Some metal stakes for the tent. There's the plastic ones that it comes with. And then these dude wipes as well, for instead of packing paper towels and toilet paper. This is a 3-pack, so obviously it will be easier, more compact to pack. Yeah. And then let's be doing my Cardo Pack Talk Bold. This will be cool because I can leave I got both the helmets over there, but that one's already set up, ready to go. I'm gonna set up that one later on today, and that way I'll have 2 helmets. I always like having a backup. You never know what's gonna happen. But yeah, let's go try and pack this bag. Golly, dude. Let's go try and pack this bag, and then I want to pack it, slap it on the bike, and go for a ride. But yeah, let's go check it out. All right, like Sturgis funds from all the stripping and late nights at the club, and a little bit of recycling. But setting up, getting ready to go. It's a few days out. My Saddlemen bag, my tent, portable utility light action, got 2 of those. My dude wipes, probably take just 2 of these bad boys. Instead of packing rolls of toilet paper and paper towels, take these dude wipes. These came highly recommended. Got my aluminum tent stakes instead of using plastic ones for the tent. Tent's right here. Probably gonna be throwing this on top of this bad boy, like so. This bag is super heavy duty, man. Super stoked, and it packs a lot. Sleeping bag, a little mini first aid kit, just in case, I don't know, cut myself making number 2 in the forest. A couple trash bags, just in case anyone gets dismembered. Toiletries, got my deodorant, important, toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, gel for my balding head, some wipes in there. Got a bar soap, probably slap in there. Got to get a case for the bar soap. Tools for the bike, Hyper Tough, come in handy. My wife's got me all set up. Clothes are all rolled up, should be set for 7 days. Got some magnets and stickers. Roll these bad boys up. Oh, got my power bank. And I got this bad boy too, the sleeping pad. Need to blow that up and lay down on it, see what it feels like. A little backup bag, we'll see what we go with. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I got a list that was sent to me. I kind of just wanted to see what he had on there, but sunscreen, definitely don't need that. Obviously got clothes, underpants, socks, don't need the shave stuff. Meds, I think I got some Dayquil packed somewhere, some emergency earplugs, got those, toothpaste, deodorant, don't need nail clippers. Birkenstocks, I don't know if you ever see me wearing those. All my GoPro stuff, obviously. And then I'll be putting in the new setup for my comm system in the new helmet. So I'll be rocking my new Scorpion helmet out there. Don't need a Bluetooth speaker. Got my tank bag, luggage bag, rain gear, got that too. Snacks, drink, probably pack some water. Belt, that's important. Face mask, oh, I might bring that. We'll see. But outside of that, that's pretty much it. See what all we can fit in this bad boy. And then we got my little Adidas bag over there on the floor for backup. See what we do. My wife is working her magic, so I should be packed and ready to go. So let's check it out. Man, I don't know how my wife did it. She put a lot of stuff in here. Had to bring my KAIHIWA boys, koozie, got my beanie in there, Woody's plumbing services, power bank, steaks, all my clothes, tent, toiletries, or no, it's not my tent, sleeping bag. This bag is insane. Still got all this room. Slap all my GoPro stuff in here. Got my stickers and magnets in this pocket. Little backpack style action. I'll take these off and throw those in the saddlebag and see if I even use those, but I just slapped the bag on. It actually feels really good. Rain gear, gonna go in the saddlebag. Tools, my bug slide action. But this bag is solid. Again, like I said, I don't have a sissy bar, but I'll be tying it down with some rock straps. But this is cool. I took the foam out of this, but I didn't realize this is actually for your back, to put on the back of the bag. Obviously the bag will be facing out. The front of the bag will be facing out from the bag. So I'll just slap this here, tie it down so pad will go in there, and then I'll have a little pad for my back. Sounds good now, but we'll see what it actually does. But yeah, ready to go, man. We still got some time. Gonna slap the tent on here, clip it down here, keep it down. Yeah, shout out to my wife, my wife always packs when we travel and whatnot, and I don't know how she does it, but she'll make like a lot of stuff fit in a very little amount of space, and that's exactly what she did right now. This bag is solid, but when you're, I'm probably going to be gone for, probably 7, 8, maybe 10 days. We'll see. I got a couple outfits, old ones that are in here that I'll probably get rid of because I plan on bringing stuff back, or we still got time. I might pack another bag and see what's what, but I'm a hoarder, man. Especially when it comes to clothes and hats and stuff like that. But there are a couple outfits, at least 2 outfits I know for sure, including socks and man panties that I can get rid of, so if I have to. But yeah, we'll see, man. But super stoked. That's it for now. More to come later. Looking forward to putting this bad boy on the bike and going for a ride and just seeing what it does with the rock straps that my boy had recommended. But yeah, to be continued. Appreciate you guys tuning in. You know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread the love, people, because we need it. Fat boy out. Boom bang.